Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everybody is doing good. This week seems to be a dosa and idli week here on Tomato Blues YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you all how to make a healthy and easy Toor Dal Dosa. This dosa requires no fermentation and just 1 hour of soaking time, and you can make a healthy and nutritious breakfast. So come on, let's get started. To begin with, let us soak 3/4 of a cup Toor Dal along with 1/4 cup of rice. I have used raw poni rice today. I have also added 5 to 6 dry red chilies while soaking. I soaked after washing all the ingredients thoroughly, and this is how it looks after washing. The Toor Dal has plumped up beautifully, the rice has softened, and the red chilies have also softened. The red chilies after being soaked grinds up easily, which is why I tend to soak it. Now let us drain all the water from this soaked dal and rice, and this is how it looks after we drain the water. Now that our prep work is done, let us grind the batter. To begin with, let us do this in a mixie jar, that is a blender jar. I've used a medium-sized blender jar today. To this, let us add the soaked dry red chilies. You can choose to add more or fewer chilies as per your spice requirements. Next, let us add all the soaked Toor Dal and the rice. You can also grind this in batches if you have a smaller blender jar. Now once we've added all the soaked up dal and rice, let us add the required flavoring agents for this particular dosa batter. I'm going to be adding 6 or maybe like 5 to 6 garlic cloves which has been peeled, and along with this we'll add a generous pinch of asafoetida, which is also called as hing or peringayam. The next is 2 teaspoons of salt. Again, salt please adjust as per your requirements. I'm going to be adding half a cup of fresh water to this to grind my batter today. You will be requiring another half a cup to 3/4 of a cup water while you grind the batter. So now let's close the blender and let's begin grinding. We are going to blend it to a really smooth paste, and like I said, please add half a cup to 3/4 cup of more water while you grind. So this is how the batter looks, really smooth. And now let us add the ground batter into a mixing bowl. Now that I've added all the batter, let us make this Toor Dal Dosa a little more nutritious by adding 10 curry leaves which has been finely chopped. And along with this, I'm going to be adding half a cup of finely chopped palak, that is spinach leaves. You can add amaranth leaves or methi leaves or any green leaves according to your requirements and availability. Even cabbage works well for this Toor Dal Dosa. Now once you've added the leaves, mix it really well. And that's it, my friends. The Toor Dal Dosa batter is ready to be made into dosas. Now let us see how to make the dosas. Heat a dosa tawa, and once it is hot, take a ladle of batter and let us spread it into a thin circle in a concentric circle movement. Make sure that you keep your flame at medium while you do this. Now once you have spread the batter, let us crank up the flame to the lowest possible and let us cook it for 1 to 1.5 minutes. Again, this will depend upon your flame settings in your gas stove. So it may take up to 2 minutes for you to cook the dosa completely. Now also drizzle 1.5 teaspoons of peanut oil or 1 teaspoon of ghee if you're not looking for a vegan option. Now once you've drizzled the oil or ghee as per your choice, let us wait for this to crisp up and turn a little golden on the underside. Now if you can see, the color is changing gradually on the underside, and there is no raw batter also on the surface. Now is the time to flip the dosa. We are going to cook it for another 30 seconds after flipping. Friends, if you like this video, please leave a comment, share the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates from Tomato Blues YouTube channel. Now, after 30 seconds, let us flip it back, fold it into half, and our delicious, nutritious Toor Dal Dosa is ready to be served. I'm serving it up with some spicy ginger chutney for good digestion because it's a protein-loaded dosa. For more recipes, please visit tomatoblues.com. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.